Welcome grade 2. How are you today? I hope you are fine. I am teacher Riham Hassan, your science teacher. I am teacher Riham Hassan, okay? Okay. In the name of Allah, we will start, and may Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Okay, our online class rules: be prepared and complete all assignments on time. Raise your hand to respond and to ask questions. Eliminate all distractions. Use appropriate language all the time. Okay, keep your camera and your mic is closed. Okay, in the last period we start on lesson plans make no plans. Lesson 2 plans make no plans. And also in this period we gonna complete this lesson. So our title for today, plans make no plans. Okay, we know that the flowers can make the seeds. Okay, look at this picture. The flowers can grow into a fruit, and a fruit with seeds inside the fruits. Okay, and also this part of the flower can make the pollen. And we know that the pollen is a sticky powder inside a flower. Okay, this pollen helps to make seed. Again, this pollen helps to make seeds. Okay, let me show to you a video to know more information about the pollinations. Okay, so we know from this video that the pollination is to reproduce a new plant. The pollen grains or the pollen help the plant to make seeds and to reproduce and make a new plant. Okay, so also the pollen can move between the flowers, or the pollen must move between the flowers. How they can move? They can move by the animals, okay? Or by the wind, or number 3, by the water. So the pollen moves between the flowers. Again, the pollen moves between the flowers. How they can move? By animals. Number 1, animals. Okay. Number 2, wind. Number 3, water. Okay. So who can tell me how the pollen can move between the flowers? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Good boy. Okay. Now it's time for a quick check. When you know the answer for this quick check, okay, be prepared. I will ask you when the meeting will start. Okay, the first question, what protects the seeds inside? What protects the seeds inside? The fruit or the pollen? Which one protects the seeds inside? Okay, and the second one, wind can move. Wind can move what? Can move pollen from flower to flower, or can move animals from flower to flower. Okay, today inshallah we will know how do seeds like. Okay, the seeds have different sizes and shapes. Not all the seeds have the same sizes and the same shapes. No, the seeds have different sizes and shapes. So when I ask you, is it true or false? Seeds have different sizes and shapes. Is it true or false? Yes, true. Seeds have different sizes and shapes. Look at these seeds. It's called star anise. Star anise pod. Okay, these seeds are small seeds in a pod shaped like a star. Okay, but we have another example, marigold seeds. These marigold seeds are small and thin. So marigold and star anise seeds have the same size? No. Have the same shapes? Excellent. Also no. So the seeds have different size and shapes, but all the seeds, all the seeds have foods. All the seeds have foods. All the seeds have foods. Why have foods? To help the new plant to grow. To help the new plant to grow. To help the new plant grow. So we know that the seeds have different size and shapes, but all the seeds have foods to help the new plant grow. Also the seeds move in different ways. By number one, the fur of animals. The fur of animals. Look at this picture. Yes, the seeds is holded in the fur of animals. Okay. Number two, by the wind. Number three, by the water. So the seeds and the pollen can move in different ways by animals, by wind, or by water. Okay? So to can reproduce or to can make a new plant. Okay? Okay. Now, when I ask you, how do seeds look? Do you know what inside the seed, or how do the seeds look? We have an example for peanut seeds. Okay, look at these seeds. Yes, these seeds have the shell. This part is called the shell of peanut. The shell of peanut is hard and light brown. Oh, by the way, do you like the peanut? Yes, also me, I like the peanuts. Okay, so the shell of the peanut is hard and light brown. But the second part is the seed. Okay, sorry. The seed coat. The seed coat is thin. The seed coat is thin and dark brown. The third part, this part is a tiny plant. This is the plant. This part is a tiny plant and it will grow bigger. And this part also gave food to the tiny plant so it can grow. So the peanut seeds have shell, number one, shell. Number two, seed coat. And number three, the tiny plant or the embryo. Okay? So the seeds of peanuts have shell, seed coat, and a tiny plant. Okay. So all the seeds have covers by seed coat. All the seeds have covered by seed coat. Why the seeds have covers by seed coat? Nice. To protect the seeds. Look at this. Peanuts are protected by hard shells and seed coat. This peanut seed is protected by the seed coat, number one, and number two, the shell. Okay. And also the peanuts are seeds. They grow under the ground. So we know that all the seeds have covers called seed coat. All the seeds have covers called seed coat, and all the seeds have food. Okay, all the seeds have food inside. Okay, now quick check. Why do you think the peanuts have hard shells? Why do you think the peanuts have hard shells? Yes, if you know, I will ask you in the meeting. Be prepared. Okay. So what we learned today, we learned that the seeds come in a variety. The seeds come in a variety of different shapes and sizes. Not the same. The seeds have different shapes and the size, but each seed can grow into a plant. Each seed with a different shape or with a different size can grow into a new plant. Okay. But what the new vocabulary for today? Seeds, and the seeds is covered by seeds coat. seeds, and the seeds is covered by seeds coat, and the pollen, and the peanut seeds, peanuts. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.